In this video, we will show you how to build powerful AI workflows in minutes using Relevance AI Flow Builder. Whether you are automating customer support, analyzing data, or building smart agents, this drag and drop platform makes it incredibly simple. Just log in and head over to Flow Builder. So you can see we have workforce and various other stuff. So what you need to do is simply head over to your workflow builder, and then you are going to be simply like for example ChatGPT, classification models, or custom webhooks. You can connect APIs and logic and deploy different type of integrations. So it is going to be without any single line of code. So the best part, you can test your workflow and live tweak your results in real time and scale instantly. It is perfect for businesses, creators, and developers looking to integrate AI fast and efficiently. So if you want to build smart without the stress, Relevance AI got you back. So if you want to access Relevance AI, you can use the link in the description below to get some extended rewards. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.